Hi, I'm Mike Horibe from the Dominguez Rancho Museum, and today we're going to demonstrate how to properly plant a tree. So as you know, when you plant trees in your landscape, you're doing a lot of good things for the environment because the trees provide a home, protection, and food for birds and other animals. And on the economy side, it increases the value of your home about 10%. And also because you have trees and shrubs around your house in the landscape, you're saving on energy, light bill. So there's a two-ploy benefit of trees. So let me show you the hole that we have here. We have a 5-gallon tree here. And when you normally plant the tree, you want to make the hole 3 times the width of the existing container, okay? This is about 34 inches. The container is about 11 inches wide. So I've made it 3 times the size of that. And also I've dug underneath the tree about 6 inches, and I've incorporated a mixture of organic material so that those roots on the bottom are able to blend inside the soil. And also the backfill that we're going to do, we're going to use today is 50% native soil and 50% organic matter. We have a mixture of planter mix, and fortunately we have the compost that we generate here at the Adobe. So I'm going to mix that with the native soil, and then we're going to backfill and hopefully have a real nice material for the tree in the future. So I've cut the sides so that I'm able just to break the container open without disturbing the roots. So I've already done that, so let's see how that works. Okay, so we've removed it from the container, and when you plant the tree, you want to plant it about 1 inch or 2 inches from the level of the soil so that you don't suffocate the tree itself. It's better to have a tree planted higher than lower, okay? So we have it in a good spot here, so there it is. And our backfill is going to be made of 50% native soil that we have here and 50% organic material, which is our compost that we generate here at the Adobe and planter mix that we purchased from your local nursery. So we're going to mix that up, and then we're going to backfill. This is pre-mixed, so I'm just going to backfill. And you cover the entire hole. So when you have this real nice backfill, you're giving the roots an opportunity to really grow out and absorb all the nutrients. You don't want a hard pan soil back into the hole. What you can do, and it's optional, you can rough up the edges of your hole. So once again, so those roots can embed themselves into the soil. So we've done that. We're going to add a few more shovelfuls. And for the sake of time, we're going to leave it there, but then I'm going to make, as a finishing touch, a berm around the tree so when you water, the water stays in there and doesn't flow out of the hole. So it's just real easy. You just make like a wall around the hole. And you want to make sure, check it every week for moisture. You want to make sure it doesn't dry up, and just check it once a week and give it a good watering. And I think that's about it. If you do those items, I think you're going to have successful tree planting. Thank you.